Thutha wa ruhonge rwa IGRTC kwerekana rurari na njama ya gucenjia thukuru cia Ecde kuma moko-ini ma kaunti nyagia kuri thirikari nene, riu Múhuhu uyu ni ureganitwo naguo ni Kanjú ya Mangabana makiuga gutiri na undu ta ucio urari ho.
IGRTC has taken note that there was need for further consultations between the two levels of government arising from the issues most recently raised by the Council of Governors, and in particular, especially in the area of early childhood development, but we can also say there are important aspects of the whole sector which require consultations between the two levels of government.
Oho Kanjú ino ni ongereire na kuga ati gutire uria ruhonge ruru rungiratunyukithirie makaunti wira wao kuona mangirendire gucenjia no muhaka mangirahetukire makinya ma kiwatho.
IGRTC implores the two levels of government to leverage on the constitutional and statutory provisions that pave way for continuous consultation, for cooperation, for consultation, for coordination, for interdependence, to give the best they can give in terms of service delivery to the people of Kenya and the children of Kenya.
Na hau Miario wa Kanjú ino ni ataririe ati gutire kuoneka undu ta ucio otiga hihi gatiba icenjirie kana makaunti na thirikari ne maiguanire.
There has not been a case so far of the transfer of functions of Ecde from county governments to national government. In any case, it cannot happen outside the framework of either of two things, either change of the constitution or by invoking Article 187, where the two levels of government can agree to share aspects of the function.
Ona kuri Uguo tariki 16 mweri-ini uyu wa Januari mwaka-ini wa 2024 Kanjú ino ni arariria mucemanio o ta uria Miario wa Kanjú ino aratariria.
IGRTC has written to the two levels of government inviting them to a consultative meeting on 16th of January 2024. The purpose of the meeting is to provide an avenue for consultations on the recommendations of the Presidential Working Party relating to the implementation of the pre-primary function as envisaged in law.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni njitagwo Wambui wa Maina.